Dust motes swirled in the attic as I uncovered the old typewriter, its keys cold beneath my fingertips. Alone, I pressed a letter. The machine groaned, then spat out a page. A man slips on the stairs, neck snapping. I laughed nervously, dismissing it as a cruel coincidence. Minutes later, a scream echoed from below. Heart-pounding, I rushed downstairs to find my neighbor, Mr. Harris, sprawled at the bottom of the staircase, lifeless. Shaken, I returned to the attic, curiosity warring with dread. I typed a single line. Thunder cracks, lightning strikes the oak. Outside, lightning split the sky, and the ancient tree outside my window burst into flames. My breaths grew shallow, panic rising. With trembling hands, I typed, "The writer's heart stops." My pulse hammered in my ears. I ripped the paper out, sweating. Nothing happened. Relief washed over me, but then the typewriter clacked on its own, keys hammering furiously. The writer cannot escape his fate. I stumbled backward as the carriage slid to the end, ringing a final chilling bell. My chest tightened, vision blurring. The last thing I saw was the machine, waiting patiently for its next story.